Hello, and welcome to the Science Digest Show. This show intends to demystify science and make it simple for everybody to understand. The intention of this show is to make sure that we know that science is everyday life application. We meet science every day, and therefore we need to have knowledge of it to understand the life in which we live and the world in which we live. Science Digest Show comprises four main parts: the pure sciences, the applied sciences, entrepreneurship, and the roadshow. The pure sciences comprises areas in biology, chemistry, and physics. The applied sciences comprises mathematics, engineering, medicine or dentistry, actuarial science, information technology or IT, dietetics, radiotherapy, radiography, medical laboratory sciences, physiotherapy, amongst others. With engineering, breaking it down, we could have areas such as aerospace engineering, food processing engineering, materials engineering, petroleum engineering, petrochemical engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering, and geomatic engineering, amongst a host of others. Science goes a long way into nanoscience, environmental science, material science, and biotechnology. Now, on the third aspect of the show, entrepreneurship in science, we have realized there's a disconnect between the sciences that we learn and the world of work. To bridge this gap, we need a connect. This connect is by making sure that we strike the portion of our brain that has got to do with innovation and ingenuity. And this is the essence of the show for the third point. Lastly, the roadshow. The roadshow seeks to make trips to schools, colleges, laboratories, industries, science labs in and around the country. And the purpose of these trips is to make sure we have scientific engagement and talks. I believe this session of the show will be very intriguing and nice, and nobody would love to miss. See you there. My name is Solomon Jedida Abedi Akofempo. I'm the team lead for SMC Consult. I'm a sciencepreneur and a healthpreneur. I'm the grants coordinator for a special group known as Vacation Initiatives in Science Africa, where we have volunteer scientists from Noguchi Memorial Institute, from West Africa Center for Cell Biology and Infectious Pathogens, and other related science disciplines who volunteer to teach scientific methods for finding out about diseases, preventing diseases, especially infectious diseases, and managing their outbreak. Here in this picture, we have Professor Ian Goodfellow from Cambridge University, who volunteered during the Ebola crisis at Sierra Leone. And in this picture, he's investigating or checking the palms of one of the nurses to see whether after washing her hands, there's still germs there or not. And in another shot, you can see the team of volunteers with Professor Ian Goodfellow. And the last shot has me receiving an award from Professor Ian Goodfellow. At this point, I'd like to say thank you to him. The next group is Good and Sustainable Medical Outreach, GASMO. GASMO performs a lot of medical screenings in and around the country, to churches, to communities, to schools, and creates health advocacy around the country. The pictures here speak for themselves. You can follow us at SMC Consult on Instagram, and you can follow me on Facebook with my Facebook name, Solomon Bediako Frimpong. Thank you. This cannot be done by one man alone. We need a collaborative effort of a team. I believe in one word: team. Together, everybody achieves more. And here is the diverse team that we formed. And we know that together we can go further instead of going far. Science Digest Show, yeah, yam ne fiko fiko.